As you see guys, that Bitcoin weekly candle here, it finished. Bitcoin give us another indecision candle here, or a hammer, or name it whatever you want, in a very stronger zone, as we talked about it before. The weekly candle couldn't break for us the last high here, or all-time high. As you see it guys, we couldn't break it. Even all the dump here happening, we couldn't break here because I saw a lot of fake gurus online exactly in X. They're saying a lot of words. We haven't break it guys. If you look with me here, let me zoom it a little bit like that. You see here guys, if you came to the tail of those candles here and we draw in there a line like that, you see there is no candle close above the all-time high here. All those ones just tails in the weekly. By the way guys, before we continue, I want that video to reach to 100 likes. Yes guys, please. And no guys, those days you don't supporting us. Majority of you, they just watching the video without smashing the like button. My friend, what you going to lose? It will not take you that much. Just 1 second from your time, smash the like button, write down a comment, tell me your thought about Bitcoin. Because guys, YouTube, they complaining at me, they told me you don't get a lot of likes because majority of you guys, you don't smash in the like button. So please, my friend, smash the like button if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. As today we enter some trades guys, we enter along as day trading, we enter those ones the trade we used to have before, those ones from last week. We have a short in Bitcoin, a short in the XRP and a short in the Ethereum. Today we close that short in the Bitcoin and we enter along as swing trading guys. So if you want to benefit from our signals guys, by the way, the swing trading signals, they are more than 90% accurate guys. You want to growing up your account, yes, they are not that fast. That means you are not going to be rich within 1 day to enter by $100 and going to turn it to 1 million or something like that. You need to use some logic. But if you want to growing up your account, those swing trading signals, they are the best guys. So if you want to join us, we told you what to do. The link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it. You're going to land here guys. I'm so sorry for the new post guys. It's not me, it's about Patreon. But you, if you are not from USA or Europe and you want to join us, you can text me and we're going to take it off that VAT they are done here and those taxes. You can contact me and we're going to find out a way about that. How you're going to contact me? You join the free Discord. The link of it is down. And from there, I'm going to show you how to join with how to pay that VAT. That of course, if you want to join us. So it's very simple guys. You come here, you click at join, that one or that one, finish payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps to connect it Patreon to Discord to join our VIP Discord. It's very easy steps, just one link, you click at connected Discord to Patreon. But if you find it difficult, you can contact me and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, the Bitcoin here, another red weekly candle here. After look how many weeks and also we are green guys. Finally, one red week here, as you see it guys. Now what is it, the view? The view, it's look bad guys, let me be honest with you. Because if we came and we do something like that, let me show you those things. If we came to that last high here, the one, and we draw in here a uptrend like that, you see it guys. You touch it the first, now you are in it again. That's when we haven't break it, and it happened the same thing like how it happened here, it happened now. So what the view guys, because if you're looking with me here, let me check it of those ones, and we came back here to 2021, same thing guys. It shows if it's going to break it, then it dump. Same thing now, it done it here. As you see it now, if you go into lower time frames, you're going to see it, it's break it, but it's not guys in the weekly. Let's see now if the Bitcoin going to do the same like how it done here. It dump above or a lot guys. Let's see if that one going to happen. That's possible guys. If it's going to go more higher, we're going to catch it. People there with me, they know that. Also today we enter along a swing trading guys, but also we manage those trades. We know how not to lose. Even if it's going to dump, we are going to go out without losses. That's why us every time we telling you now, we still have here that up trend like that guys. That one here and here, we still have here that up channel like that. We haven't touched the top of it. For us to touch the top of it, we need to break that last high here. It means also we're still in an uptrend, but the Bitcoin, look at it guys, at the first, that the second, and now it's look like market going to change direction. Let's wait and see what's going to happen, because it might from here to push more higher. That's possible. Second scenario, that one here is the top, and we're going to dump. If it's that one the top, guys, the bottom is going to be at 40k. That's my view personally. But if that 111k is the top, the Bitcoin is going to dump till 40k. I need to do for you the Bitcoin option for monthly, guys, but not today, because today is the weekly candle close. Till tomorrow, then we're going to do it for you. Another thing here in the weekly, let me show it to you. Is it that one here? Me, my target, it's still here, as you see it, guys, 134k. And I'll show you how we done it based on Fibonacci retracement. We do it here. So that's my view personally, 134k. If that happen, I'm going to be very happy. I'm going to take some of the profit there, because if I take it from there, I'm going to buy from here. Exactly, guys. You see that my view personally, where's the Bitcoin is going to dump? Exactly here, 35k. But me, I said only 40k. You can start buying from that level, or only 50k. You can start buying. And also, we're going to update you about those things. You remember what else we told you? 500 days before the halving and 500 days after the halving. Now, guys, also we are very close to that 500 days. As you see, it doesn't left a lot for it. Now, what shall we do? We need to wait, guys. The top is very close. It doesn't left for it a lot, guys. As you see it, at the bottom here. It's been the bottom here. Look how long we've been. Now the top is very close. As you see it, may I got it by that red line here. Exactly in September, guys. So in September, you need to start taking off the profit. If we reach to 134k or 170k or whatever, in September, those ones, they like to take profit. September, start taking off the profit, my friend. That's the only things I can tell you. We got something else here in Bitcoin in weekly. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here, guys? Based on volume profile, we got a very stronger zone here. As you see it, where is the 20 moving average? I can tell you even the level here. Is it exactly at 94, 164? Man, maybe the Bitcoin here is going to dump to here to 94k, guys. You need to be careful about that one. That where is the 20 moving average here. If we couldn't manage to break here, and Bitcoin from here showing us a sign is going to dump, it's going to get the things very, very, very ugly, guys. And that uptrend, you don't need to draw it or something, just add the simple moving average here, the 50. As you see, that blue one here, every time we touch it at the bottom, we need to see this time if we're going to break it, guys. If we break it, that's the zone where me I told you exactly here, or even till the 200 moving average at 48k. Me personally thinking it's going to dump more than that, but let's wait and see, because if you see here, based on volume profile, 64k is a very stronger level, and we got here even at 48k, exactly not 48k, exactly here 40k. At the level where me I told you I'm going to start buying, but me I told you below 50k started buying, my friend. That's the only things I can tell you. So I think I explained everything to you. Now let's go in to see the coming news for all the week, guys. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys, that the coming news for all the week. As you see it, that the news we got today. Monday, we got SP Global Manufacturing PMI. That one, it affect a lot the US dollar. We got ISM Manufacturing PMI and ISM Manufacturing Price. Plus, we got Fed Chair Powell speech at 5 o'clock GMT time, guys. So you need to be careful about that one. Then Tuesday, what we got? We got the CPI data or inflation data of the Eurozone. We got the JOLT or the job opening. Wednesday, what we got? As you see it, guys, we got EDP non-farm employment change, SP Global Service PMI, ISM non-manufacturing PMI, and ISM non-manufacturing price, plus the crude oil inventory. Then Thursday, what we got? As you see it, guys, that Thursday, what we got interest rate decision for the Eurozone. Eurozone, they are going to cut. Then we got initial jobless claim, plus we got ECB press conference at 12:45. You need to be careful about that woman, Christine Lagarde, what she going to say, guys, because she said a lot of new things. The European Union outlook it changed to US dollar, guys. So you need to be focused about that woman, what she going to say at Thursday. Then what we got? In Friday, we got average hourly earning, non-farm payroll, and unemployment rate. So it's a very, very big week, guys. Market is going to show you a lot of ups and downs. So you need to be careful. That way, also we're telling you to join us, to be with professional people, to avoid those things. But it's up to you. Maybe you found $31 now is expensive. Our friend down here, Nasdaq started the week red, SP same thing, the Dow Jones same thing. Our friend here, the VIX, as you see it guys, Carnes and Fair it's still higher, but we are not above the level of 20. That means everything's still normal. And me, I'm still waiting it to go more up. Me, I'm talking here about stock market. Till we reach to 12, that's the right time for us to start taking off some of the profits. I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in daily, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in daily, guys. Today Bitcoin it gives us here another green candle here after that pin bar here. Now what is it the level or what is it the view? After we touch in here that very stronger level, we show it to you in the past videos. Now there is one of two guys. Either the Bitcoin going to give us here a big head and shoulder like that and it's going to dump very hard. That possible, guys. It happen every time, always before the pump or the dump there is a price action. That the pump, guys, you see it, that the double bottom here. That way we pump till here. Now it's going to give us, if it's going to dump a price action, that way also we waiting every time. Even here, it give you here a price action, guys, as you see it here. Here it give you a triple top like that, or name it whatever you want. Now let's wait and see what's going to happen here in the coming hours. Me, my view personally, I think they are going to move upward a little bit. Then we're going to see if we are going to break that last high here or no. Because that uptrend here, that one as we've been talking about, is getting broke, guys, as you see it. Now let's see if that one going to come back to test it above down here. That's possible. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours and coming days. We got something else here in Bitcoin in daily. Let me show it to you, which is that one here, guys. We're breaking the 20 moving average here. We touch that very stronger zone here. We're talking about it before and we tell it to you. Now it came back to test the 20 moving average. For us to know the boost, they came back. That way also we supported, guys, and we enter that long to help in it to go more higher, to push the Bitcoin to break for us the all-time high. That's possible. Second scenario, how I told you, like that, is going to give us here a big head and shoulder here. And it's going to dump, guys. The next level we need to focus that one here exactly at 97k, because if we break in now that 103 225, we are going to fall down to 70k. Exactly, guys. If we break in 70k, we got another level down here at 84k. So you need to be focused on what's going to happen here, guys. If we break it, we are going to dump very hard. And may I tell you that if the Bitcoin gave us here that head and shoulder like that, guys, things is going to get very, 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 very bad. So I think I explained everything to you. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Same thing, same level we just showed you before. As you see it, we bounced from it here. Now we are here in 12 hours in the 50 moving average, guys. Now there is one of two. Either we're going to break it and we're going to pump more higher. That number one scenario. Second scenario is going to dump again. Even that one is possible, guys. If we dump and we break in that last low here, we are going to go to 98k, and that's going to get very bad, guys, because always if it's breaking for us that last low here, things is going to get very bad, guys. So remember those things, and also we update you every day, and that way also we're telling you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification, so when also we put in a new video, you're going to be updated, my friend. Now the levels, you need to look close at them today. Let me show it to you. Levels staying the same, guys. That level here 102 603, that level here 108 570, and we got that level here where is the 100 moving average 98 840. So those ones the three levels now, plus that 50 and 20 moving average where we are stuck now. It's need the market to break both of them now for us to go back above. Even that one you need to focus about it. We got here the downtrend here. That's my view is going to come to touch it. Then also we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days. If you want to be updated more quick, my friend, you can join us. We send every 4 hours a new update telling the people there with us if we are still in an uptrend or the trend is changed to a downtrend, and a lot of things. You can join us and benefiting from those things. But of course, if you are interested, now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Here Bitcoin, why also we entered that long? Because of that downtrend here. As you see it, guys, it's getting broke here. We entered that long. We're aiming just the market to come back to test here that downtrend here. When it touches here, we're going to take some of the profit because that's what also we're doing every time. Plus, even here, we got a small double bottom here. But also we haven't entered based on that one. Also, we've been waiting the downtrend here to be broke till it's getting broke. That when also we enter along. Because even that one, we show it to you guys. We show you we got here that down channel like that. And now the view, we are going to go back to touch the top of it. Then also we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days. If it's breaking here, it's going to be like that, guys, like a flag. That possible. Second scenario, and even that one, we showed it to you before. We told you guys we got here that megaphone like that. That the megaphone. And we told you we are going back to touch the top of that megaphone. Even that one, it's possible. So also we still waiting what's going to happen in the coming hours or coming days. And even the worst case scenario, guys, because even that one, we need to put it aside. Is it that one here? The market to give us here a big head and shoulder like that, guys, and that's going to be the baddest and worst scenario, guys, if that happening. But the only things I can tell you, if that head and shoulder happen, and that meant the Bitcoin couldn't break the down channel here, that one here, and the Bitcoin couldn't manage to break it, that meant just came here, we touch it, then we fall down like that, we're going to have a head and shoulder, and that's the baddest case scenario, guys. So you need to be careful about those things, what I'm showing you. Now also we touch a very stronger zone, we show you all those things. We got something else here in Bitcoin, guys. Let me show it to you. Is it the one here, guys? The Bitcoin, it's breaking for us the 20 moving average. Now the view, the Bitcoin is going to go back till 106k. Then from there, we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming hours or coming days. As you see it, guys. Now what the view, the Bitcoin is going to come back to touch that 20 moving average. Then after it's going to go back above. That's what us we're doing every time, guys. If you want to join us, we told you what to do. That for long, for short, we got that uptrend here. If it's getting broke here, things is going to get very ugly, my friend. That's the only things I can tell you. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying today here in Bitcoin. Our indicator, guys, as you see, it came back, it touched here that wall. Now there is one of two, either from here going to go back above, because if you see in with me, you see that damn trend here. Is it that one here, guys, in the chart? That one here is getting broke here in our indicator. That telling us maybe the market is going to push more higher. So also we still waiting. Also we enter based on smaller downtrend, and now we're waiting that one here to be broke. If it's not in the downtrend here, we're going to take some of the profit. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. The Ethereum, also we enter a short from here, and we show you why. We told you because of that uptrend here. When it's getting broke here, we enter a short. It's right here. We take the first profit here, now the second profit. Now we're still holding some small Ethereum order. Now what is it? The view we got here like a small double bottom, guys. If it's getting broke here, maybe the Ethereum going to go back to test that 200 moving average in daily the 4th time, because as you see it, guys, that the first, that the second, that the third, that means the 4th time is going to get weak and we're going to break it. That possible. Second scenario, that just a smaller correction and the main trend is going to apply, guys, because that the main trend. Now we're breaking that one here. Maybe we are just going to come back to test it, then after that to fall down. Even that one is possible, guys. So all the scenarios we show it to you. We got something else here in the Ethereum. Let me show it to you, which is that one here. You see the base on the volume profile. Also we are in a very strong level, guys, but also now we are below the 20 moving average here in daily, guys. Now let's see if the Ethereum could manage to come back and to break the 200 moving average. That's going to be very good for Ethereum. If it's not, guys, and that the worst case scenario, the Ethereum from here going to dump me in the Ethereum, I'm still holding my short swing trading, because that's what me I do every time, guys. I haven't closed it, and I will not close it till the trend show me change, because down here we got a very strong level as you see it here, which is exactly at 1828. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours or coming days. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, there is nothing new here in the Ethereum. We're still below in a zone where is the bears the controlling. That means technically also in the Ethereum we're still in a downtrend. Let's see how far it's going to fall down. Not the only things I can tell you. In the Ethereum also we're still in a downtrend, guys. There is nothing changed. Yes, the level or zone also we are in a very strong level, but me I don't enter from those levels and those things. Me I follow the trend. At this time the trend is still in a downtrend. When the trend is changed, I'm going to close the short and enter along. And may I close the short in profit, guys. I don't close it, it loses. That very, very important thing you need to focus about. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Sol, guys. The Sol, it touched that very stronger level here, as you see it, that one here. See it last time, it spent some time in it to break it. Now we touch it. The Sol here, it's showing to us as if a small double bottom here in 4 hours, guys. Yes, it's not yet breaking the neckline. That way also we haven't entered in it along. If it's breaking here, we're going to catch along. That's what also we're doing every time. That's the only things we got here in the Sol. No, my friend, we got a lot of things here in the Sol. Let me show it to you. The first thing we got here, the downtrend here. Even that one, you need to be focused about it when we're going to touch it, guys. If we're going to break it and we're going to pump, that number one scenario, second scenario, we are just going to touch it, then after that we dump. Even that one is possible. The Sol for me, it's still in a downtrend. Me, the Sol, I'm not holding any position in it. I'm still waiting another entry to enter. That's what me I do every time. Plus, even that one, we show it to you in yesterday video. We told you we got here the downtrend here. We touch it. Now we touch it even here. Let's see now if the Sol going to manage to come back to break above here. If that's going to happen, we're going to have a wage, guys, and that wage going to be a very bullish sign. Let's wait and see what's going to happen in the coming hours. We got something else here in the Sol. Let me show it to you, which is that one here, guys. The Sol, it gives us here a pin bar or double pin bar in a very stronger level, the 50 moving average, plus even volume profile as you see it, guys. So we are in a very stronger zone. Let's see if the Sol going to come back above to that level here exactly of 173k, because the level where we are, we touch 147. Let's see what's going to happen. But the Sol here in daily, guys, it's still looking bad. There is nothing changed, guys. In daily, the Sol is still looking bad. Look at it. It's breaking that double top, that one here. Now it just came back to test it. Let's see if it's going to dump more or no, guys, because if you're looking at the Sol, the 100 moving average is breaking a long time, guys. Now if the 20 breaking the 50 like that, we're going to see the Sol dumping again, guys, because also we're still below the 200 moving average here in the Sol. Remember those things very well, guys. Now if the Sol dump, now it's going to give us another low then that $94 also we buy from it the Sol again. So I think I explained everything. Now let's see our indicator we're saying today here in the Sol. Our indicator, guys, we got here a bullish divergence here in the Sol. You see it, guys, or no? Now, if the Sol breaking here, the double bottom here, you need to catch along, my friend. Remember those things. That's the difference between us and other people, guys. The downtrend, that one here, you see it, guys? Look at it here in our indicator. It's getting broke, guys, here. You see it or no? Now, what the view is telling us, the market is going to reverse upwards, guys. So you need to be careful with those things, and that way us every time we're telling you to watch the videos and don't skip. If you want to catch that long swing trade in the Sol, we give you the target, the take profit, the stop loss, and all those things, and exactly when to enter. You can join our VIP Discord. That, of course, if you are interested, the link is down in the description of that video. And believe me, my friend, within one signal, you're going to back the $31 you're going to pay. But it's up to you. Now let's go into see the XRP or Ripple, what it's doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. There we are in the XRP, guys. The XRP touch here a very stronger zone, guys. You see it here, how many times it bounced from it. The only things now is at the third time, so you need to be careful. It's going to be weaker or no. But the only things we got here in 4 hours, no, my friend, we got a lot of things here. We got here the down channel like that. You see it, guys? That's a down channel here in the XRP. We touch the lower of it here. Let's see if the XRP going to come back to touch the top here, then after to dump. That possible. Second scenario, maybe is going to come back to break here and to push more higher. Another thing, the XRP tried to give us here a double bottom here in 4 hours, but couldn't manage to break the neckline. Plus another thing here, the downtrend here, if it's getting broke here, you can catch along to the top of that channel here I just show you, to that one here. That's possible, guys. If we break in here, you enter along to the top of that channel. That's the only things, guys. No, for sure, you got here that uptrend like that. You waited to get broke for you to catch a short. But of course, if you haven't holding a short with us, people there with me, us we're holding the XRP from here. We take enough profit from it. Until now, us we are 200% profit, only by $22. I reached till $500. That's why us we're telling you guys to join us. You imagine you got in your account $100 and only one trade, it turned it for you to $500. Who can give you a type of signals like those ones? But it's up to you, my friend. Now it's going to see or to show you something else we got here in the XRP. Here in the XRP, guys, in daily, the picture is very ugly and different, guys. You see here the 100 moving average, he break the 200 moving average, the 20, the same thing guys. So all those moving averages, they breaking below the 200 moving average. The XRP, in another word, it's need a miracle guys to break above. And some fake gurus, they be telling you the XRP is going to $1,000. That is up to you, my friend. We don't need to explain those things. Also, we talk about those things a lot. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying today here in the XRP. Our indicator, guys, technically it touch here extreme oversold area, so technically you need to look along. Should we enter along now? I'll show you the downtrend here in the XRP. If it's getting broke here, you can catch along. If it's not, that means the XRP is going to dump more than that, guys. Based on our indicator, also we still only in a zone where is the bears they controlling. We couldn't manage to break above, so also we still in a downtrend. There is nothing changed, guys. I think I explained everything I was going to see Bitcoin is doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading, so let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, the market, it's break here. It give us here like a small head and shoulder here. That one here, it's breaking here. We enter along, it's hitting for us the first take profit. Yesterday here, it's breaking here. It's being blind at us. That's why me, I don't like to day trade in weekend, guys. We got here now the downtrend here, that one here. As you see it, guys, even that one is getting broke. Now, what is it, the view? Me personally thinking there is a correction going to happen, guys, to where exactly maybe to that low here of 107k or something like that. That possible. Second scenario, that one here, that uptrend like that, and the Bitcoin going to give us here a bearish flag like that, guys. That one is a bearish flag and it's going to fall down and to break here. Let me zoom it a little bit to show you those things what I'm talking about. I know it doesn't look clear here. Look at it, guys. Now, if you came and you connected those ones like that and those ones like that, you can come and do it from here and you do it like that. That one here is a bearish flag, guys. So if the Bitcoin fall down and breaking here, we're going to dump very hard. That number one scenario. Second scenario, what is it? Is it that one here? That head and shoulder also we've been talking about. Look at it, guys. That's a head and shoulder here. It's breaking the neckline here. That indicating maybe the Bitcoin is going to go back above to the top, maybe to that level here, 108k, 106k. Then also we're going to see what's going to happen. The stronger zones or stronger levels, we got that one here at 107, 400. So you need to focus about those things. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here. Based on our indicator, us now we enter to a zone where is the bulls they controlling, but the problem there is no power to push more higher. That the divergence of trend, guys, you see it here. That the divergence of trend, guys, you see it here, that one here. Let's see if it's going to be broke or no. So I think I explained everything. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, if you like our content and you like our videos, make sure to smash the like button, write down a comment, and if it's possible, share that video in any social media platform you like. Please, my friend, share that video. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. In another video, guys. Bye for now.